Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th, subject GK, chapter 22, Once Upon a Time. Before the invention of clocks, people kept track of timing using different gadgets. So Sanjay, it using the moving shadow of the sun to tell time. The shadow of the thin rod replaced at the center falls on the lines on the disk that indicates the hours of the day. Second is our glass made of two connected glass balls. It is filled with sand that takes an hour to pass from the upper to the lower bulb. Once it is drained, it has to be turned over. Number third is water clock. Water moves the wheel of the clock and drips into a container at regular interval. When the level goes up, the floating rod fixed to the wheel rises. The wheel turns and rotates the hands of the clock. So, Samrat Yantra, the largest sundial in the world, is located at the Jantra Mantra in Jaipur, India. It is 90 feet high and can tell the time with the accuracy of 2 seconds. The shadow moves at the speed of 1 millimeter per second. There is a small cupola on the top. Information about eclipses and the arrival of monsoons were announced from there. So now we will do the quiz time. A sundial uses the moving touch on the sun to tell time is shadow. Next, dash is filled in the bulb of an hourglass is, which one is sand. Now third, in a water clock, the floating rod is fixed to a wheel. The wheel in the water clock turns. Dash of the clock is hands. In an hourglass, the stand takes to pass from upper to the lower in 1 hour. Okay, now come to the 23 Indian Museum. A museum houses objects of historic, scientific, artist or culture interest for the people to view. They are treasure houses of great work of art and literature that reflect the rich Indian culture and heritage. So here they have given the some museums and we have to write. First is Large Museum at Janpath, Indus Valley Civilization and Mughal era article are housed here. Is National Museum in New Delhi. So right here National Museum in New Delhi. Okay, now honors and a Bharat Ratna award. The first floor has fun science gallery. Visitor can operate the exhibit is Vishweshwaram Museum. Vish Museum in where? Bangalore. Now called the Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum houses exhibit of archaeology and the natural history is the Prince of Wales Museum and Mumbai. The Prince of Wales Museum in Mumbai. Now, National Museum of the Bank of the Muse River, sculpture, painting, and the carving from different parts of the world that belong to the particular family is Salar Jung Museum. Jung Museum, and it's on Hyderabad. So children, here we have completed chapter 20 and the chapter 23, and this work you have to do in your textbook only. Thank you.